first period. And the ball, Balili. Challenging the D. Premo, he's got 6 of the 9 points for Davnor. Randor as the floater. Oh, what a follow-up. And jersey number 11 gets the steal. Gonzalez, no look, feed, what a pass. Oh! Gets the opening right there, but passes it. Oh, beautiful feed up. Molina up and running. Big pass, reverse layup. Takes a pass. Lobo decides to pull. Lumana decides to pull the trigger. Looks for an open man on the corner. First tip, Davnor Future Legends gets the possession. Jersey number 6, number 5 swings the ball to number 10, fires the long ball, the 3 ball. Couldn't connect, they get their own miss. Jersey number 2, Lumana, nice feed inside to an open man on the second try. Jersey number 5 over to number 10. And a drop step, oh, big man's move. Opening up hot here in the first period. And the ball, Tila intercepted. Here comes the outlet. Hughes Taylor, one-on-one situation. Bumps to the defense, doesn't matter. And the second throw, still no good fight for the loose ball. And the 3 ball on the corner. Hughes Taylor, quick inbounds. Irig on the baseline. It's good, long 2 for Irig. Balili challenging the D. Jersey number 2, Lumana couldn't get it to go. And the fast play, Hughes Taylor on the fast break. Touchdown to the center, to the left side. Tila decides to pull the trigger. And the press break is good of Premo to start the ball game of Premo. He's got 6 of the 9 points for Davnor as the floater. Oh, what a follow-up right there. One-hand tip. Lobo fakes, decides to pass it, bounces it over, up Premo, what a feed! Oh, beautiful, too strong, what a pass, good recognition, and the touchdown is good. Jersey number Davnor Future Legends, almost an interception, good hands on the part of the D. Lumana squeezing through the D, what a pass inside! Off angle to hit the shot, all board. Lumana, what a move! Bucket is good, and by Sumagang, here comes the fast break, touchdown! And the fall-away shot on the other end, and he get the rebound. Fast play, nice move. And jersey number 11 gets the steal. Lies of Hughes Taylor. Passes to an open man, what a pass! And even better finish, reverse line. And Pelaez with a rebound, but he turns it over. Binoya with a no-look pass. Bank shot is good. Ball. No. And they get a steal. Jersey number 9, Flores, all the way to the cup. Comes the pressure for Davnor Future Legends. Night away, jersey number 10. Couldn't get it to fall on the second try. Wala pa rin, but they still have the ball. Baseline J, it's good. Dancing was jersey number 1, Binigay. Here comes jersey number 1, Pacres. 10 to shoot, bounces it over. Binoya partially blocked, but on the defense right there. 8 to shoot. 5. Benanwa bulldozing his way inside. Here comes Pacres. Pulls it up from the mid-range. It's good. Good. And the floater is good. Binanwa receives the inbound. Binanwa. One-way drive. Gonzalez, no look, feed. What a pass. Oh! Corner to the wing. Gonzalez drops, steps. High arcing shot, couldn't get it to fall. And there's the jump shot, short. Iri gets good. Gets the opening right there, but passes it. Oh, beautiful feed up. Beautiful connection by the Davnor future legends. And Binanwa is being hounded. Wow, what a drive right there. Gonzalez dancing against the defense. Over to the corner. Whoa, what a move right there. Binanwa. Nice feed inside. And up. Dancing against the defense. Binanwa, it's good. 14 to shoot. Lobs it over, beautiful underneath the basket. Here comes Molina. Molina up and running. Quick pass, reverse layup. 2 minutes. Tila bounces it over on the pick and roll. Ball of Tila, wala. And blocked by Binanwa. And the leader is over to Tila. Tila dancing against the defense, kicks it out to an open man. So on, decides to pull the trigger. Back! Here's number 7, hands it over. With a fake and a pass to Magang. Get it. Lumanag, Binanay, what a pass! Lumanag swings a pass. Lobo decides to pull. Back! Tila swings a pass. Lobo to the corner. Lumanag fakes, fires on the mid-range. Jay Butter. Gonzalez taking contact. Lumanag decides to pull the trigger. Bang! Up and running on the other end. Lumanag sidestep. Looks for an open man on the corner. Bang! Loses the ball and a turnover. Lobo, it's good. Fast break opportunity, short, but on the second try. Binanwa turns it over. Opremo on the fast break, easy in the second half. Lumanag, it's good. Left. Balili forcing the issue. Jersey number 5, Tilas. Rifles a pass. One hand, one dribble, pull up. It's good. Back it home. And here comes the fast break for Molina. Left-handed layup. It's good. Over to Lumanag. Lumanag dancing against the heavy traffic of Hughes Taylor. Lumanag fakes, passes it, beautiful recognition right there. And oh, the steal for Davnor future legends. Binoya from the Davnor. Binoya, Binigay, Pacres, touchdown. Sidestepping his way through, gets it to go. And Binanwa stolen on the double team, and there it goes. Short. Fast break opportunity. Gonzalez. 1 out of 2 as Maybuena receives the inbound. Passes it over. Nice feed. Extra feed. Beautiful feed. And as Binanwa was stripped behind. Pulls it up from, and his pass was intercepted. Jersey number 8, Tuloy. That is Polinar. And the fadeaway jumper is good. Humahabol ang Yubes Taylor, not wanting to give up easily as Binanwa receives the catch. Drives, kicks. The big man, oh! Connecting each other. 19, strip away, Binanwa. Short. But they recover. Pelaez, it's good. Jersey number 17, Hosol. Exhibition move on the air. And another turnover, Hosol. Jersey number 19, over to Binanwa. Napalakas ang pasa and Lobo all the way to the cup. Short, fight for the board. Molina comes away with it. 2-on-1 break, make it 3-on-1, and there will be an easy basket. 10 to shoot. And it's good. And coast to coast to Toloy. Jersey number 9, couldn't get it to go. And jersey number 19, sprint move, back shot is good. And here comes the fast break, back shot is good. .42 and good. And the layup is. And Hosol of Davao del Norte. Congratulations also to Yubes Taylor for putting up a good show. What was your preparation coming into the game with having an all-around performance tonight?
Nagpapakondisyon lang po at saka trust lang always sa teammates.
Your team had a big second half, third quarter rally. What was your coach's game plan at the halftime and entering into the third quarter? Naamoy ka ng dako kayo nga run to seal and to open up the game.
Giran lang naman play tapos tuol lang po may saya.
Congratulations, and any greetings, shout out to your friends, families, anyone.
Shout out sa family ko and sa mga sa Consina family and sa Team Davnor, Team Danji, Tita Gigi, Tito Jong, and sa mama ko na nasa Japan po.
And congratulations and good luck on your next game. Thank you.